Hey guys, how you doing? We decided last night we were trying to do a dive earlier, but it just wasn't working for us in our favor.
Get tangled up in trees and rocks.
Yeah, it was rough. So we're gonna try doing that one again another point. So hopefully you'll see the video later on. But while we're coming on back, we decided we'd go ahead and dive right here at the dock. I mean, the boat launching dock. Let's see what kind of cool stuff we can find on down there. It's pretty nice around here. Hell of a bumper. All right, going back down. Only be a couple more minutes. Yahoo! Someone's ring. Hey, can I borrow your flashlight? Oh wow! Especially she was mad. Oh man, it's someone's wedding ring.
Did you really find a wedding ring?
Yeah.
I said it would be fun to dive ring.
we're all done with the dive, and let's find what kind of cool stuff we have found today. All right, I'm not gonna skip around. I mean, some real cool stuff. Found an iPhone. It looks like it's a little beat up here. I don't know if we'll be able to resolve anything from it, but I'll get home, see if there's a SIMS card or a SD card out. Mainly SD card, because if there's an SD card, then at least there's probably photos on there. We can go ahead and give it back to whoever it is. But definitely try, at least see if there's anything salvageable. But more importantly, we have found a ring.
Obviously a wedding ring. Like silver or white gold and gold. With a date. But we're not going to tell you because whoever owns this has to describe it.
Yeah, so there is a date on the inside. I'm going to go ahead and post to a couple groups, a couple local groups around our community, our neighborhood area, see if we can potentially find somebody that this belongs to. So hopefully within the next 2 weeks we could potentially locate the owner of this wedding ring, because it's a beautiful ring. See if we can hopefully find the owner of it, and if so, you will see it right now. If not, then you're not going to see it right then. I mean, but we're going to try, definitely try, because somebody is missing. But we found it. If somebody can tell us what the date is or what is wrote on the inside, they can have it, as long as their name matches something that I can't tell you guys. Here is the other stuff that we found. Not quite sure what that is.
It's called, it's some kind of, looks like an airline. No, maybe an airline. Not too much tape.
I bet you ain't getting nothing electrical with that. Apparently someone was doing some work out here. Shallow water alarm. Found a rail. Not quite sure what this is.
It's a costume jewelry bracelet. Maybe. It's kind of weird. Obviously a woman. Or a feminine guy.
A small wrist dude. Couple screws. I thought this was a fish hook when I came up on it. Obviously it's not a fish hook. Belt, looks like a belt to a kid. Looks like a belt that my son would wear. This actually looks like
fuel line or an airline.
Looks like an airline. It looks pretty close to the airline that goes for like a Corvette. Can never have enough ratchet straps. Of course, this big old thing. Yeah, it looks like somebody's siding. Oh yeah.
A charger. A charger for a phone. I wonder if it goes to the iPhone.
You know, nope. I was wondering the same thing, but that's not an iPhone connection.
No.
Tell you what, somebody would be having a bad day if they lost their charger, their phone, and their ring, and it was all the same person. Oh my gosh, I'd hate to be that person, because that is the recipe for a bad day.